What an incredible day! The Dart River canoe and jet boat experience was everything we hoped for and so much more. From the moment we arrived, the whole operation had all the hallmarks of a first-class crew who genuinely love what they do and go above and beyond to make the day unforgettable. A huge shout out to our jet boat pilot, Nga-i, whose skill, confidence, and professionalism made every high-speed turn and river run an absolute thrill. Chris and Anna were exceptional guides, friendly, knowledgeable, passionate, and full of great stories that brought this spectacular wilderness to life. The combination of peaceful canoeing through crystal clear waters and the adrenaline rush of the jet boat was the perfect adventure. Surrounded by towering mountains, ancient forests, and breathtaking scenery, every moment felt like stepping into another world. The crew struck the perfect balance between fun, safety, and adventure, making us feel completely looked after while delivering an experience we'll never forget. If you're visiting Queenstown, don't miss this adventure. It's the perfect mix of excitement, stunning scenery, and outstanding people. An unforgettable experience with an exceptional team, highly recommended. We had such an unforgettable day doing the Dart River Funyak as a family, and the stunning sunny weather made it even more special. From start to finish, everything was incredibly well organized. The jet boat ride up the Dart River was thrilling and a perfect way to kick things off. Our teenagers absolutely loved it. Once we switched to the Funyaks, the pace slowed down in the best way possible. Floating down the crystal clear river surrounded by breathtaking scenery. Our guides, Anna and Alex, were friendly and knowledgeable. The sunny weather really brought everything to life, the water sparkled, the mountains looked incredible, and it was just perfect conditions for a family adventure. Highly recommend this to anyone visiting the area, definitely a highlight of our trip. I am not an adrenaline junkie, I hate fast rides at theme parks. I once bailed from a canoe in the Menai Straits in Wales, UK as it was too difficult. I am not usually brave enough to cold water swim. Today Dart River Adventures let me live the moment and have a fabulous time. I loved the exhilarating jet boat ride and couldn't wait for the 360 turns. The canoeing was easy and well directed through the trickier sections. I was even persuaded to swim in the pool at the Rockburn Chasm. Thank you to all the extremely professional, well-trained, enthusiastic and considerate staff at Dart River Adventures. An awesome day. My partner and I had such a wonderful experience on the jet boat and Funyak adventure. The scenery was so peaceful and our guides made us feel very safe while also providing such a fun time floating down the river. Our favorite part was going through the chasm and taking a dip in the glacial water. The lunch was also even more than we even expected, with a full spread for sandwiches, desserts and hot drinks. Would highly recommend to anyone in the Queenstown area as this was our favorite tour we did. We had an amazing time on the Funyak tour with Lennox as our kayak guide. The jet boat ride was exhilarating with beautiful views and the kayak tour also had exceptional views that we would not have seen from the road. Lunch was well balanced with amazing fruit and dessert choices. They provide all clothing necessary, you just wear a swimsuit or underwear under your wetsuit. They even give you a fleece shirt and a waterproof jacket. Amazing adventure. When the weather was looking bad, they gave us the option of refund or reschedule. The guide and boat operator Nga-i was engaging, knowledgeable. We felt comfortable and safe at all times. The stories along the way were good as it wasn't just a ride, we learned about Greenstone and saw Lord of the Ring locations. The view was friggin' amazing. The mighty clouds to the snow-capped peaks turned it on for us.